Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Tips for Dummies. Today I will be installing a remote control door knob. As you can see, you can open the door, the front door, with a remote control. This is really good for elderlies. They don't have to get up from the chairs. They just open it with the remote. It has a range of 30 feet, and today we're gonna install it, and let's see how it goes. We got all the parts in here, and let's see. First thing, we have to remove the old knob. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove these two bolts. They're pretty much basic, and they pretty much have the same bolts to remove it. Open it, so we're gonna remove both. You gotta put the screwdriver in an angle, but it's okay, you still can do it. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, so once you remove the two bolts, get these out, put it aside, and now we have to remove the it has two screws also, and it's real easy. All you have to remove is that, and thing. Alright, so now we got everything loose and free, as you can see. Now we go with the next step. Alright, is to install this. Make sure it goes to the right way. Where's the screwdriver? So we use these screws. That's going to be in the video. Alright. Alright. So we got this done, alright? Make sure you have the key facing down. Just like that, right? We have this part right here. Okay. So this particular knob comes with this little plate. It has letters in here, this side up, and the wire which is going to go through here. So we're going to put it through here.
Pero sí, y valió la pena porque comieron muy bien hasta tus niños.
So record. Alright, so now that we got the plate in place, we're going to try to put these long screws through the hole and screw it in the corresponding threads, which I didn't get it. Just like that. Same thing on the other side.
Más bien carne, ¿verdad?
So we got both sides. So on this case, I did not have enough space, so I'm gonna try backwards. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Upside down.
Upside down? Yes, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna try. But yes, so I'm gonna have to put backwards. And we're gonna just run it through. This, and we have these smaller bolts. putting it upside down. Okay, so this thing is supposed to be upward, but since it was no space at all, so we have to put it downside. Alright, so let's go to the next. Alright, so now we got it upside down. We put the batteries on, and on this case we didn't have to program anything. The remote was already programmed, and you can see how this thing works. Locked and unlocked. Did you grab that? Alright. So we put the cover on. Beautiful. It's done.